Hey everyone, summer is here, and it's the perfect time to pick up some new hobbies. You know, like those New Year's resolutions you made back in January? We've all been there. But now it's time to trade in those resolutions for some serious summer fun. So put down your phones, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to dive into the top 5 hobbies that'll make this summer unforgettable. Let's dive into the top 5 hobbies you should try this summer. First up, we've got gardening. Now I know what you're thinking, gardening? That sounds like something my grandma does, but trust me, gardening is cool now. It's like having your own little farm-to-table restaurant, except you're the farmer, the chef, and the dishwasher all rolled into one. Plus, there's nothing more satisfying than biting into a juicy tomato you grew yourself. Except maybe eating a whole pint of ice cream in one sitting, but that's a topic for another video. So how do you get started with this whole gardening thing? Well, you don't need a fancy backyard or anything. You can totally rock a window box or even just a few pots on your fire escape. Just pick your favorite herbs, veggies, or flowers, find them a sunny spot, and give them some love. And water. Don't forget the water. Before you know it, you'll be the envy of the neighborhood with your lush green thumb. Your neighbors will be like, how do they do it? And you can be all mysterious and be like, it's the power of nature, my friend. Just kidding, you can totally brag about your gardening skills. You've earned it. Next up on our list of awesome summer hobbies is hiking. That's right, it's time to ditch the treadmill and hit the trails. And the best part? You don't have to be a marathon runner or anything to enjoy it. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a total newbie, there's a trail out there with your name on it. From leisurely strolls through the woods to challenging climbs up mountains, hiking has something for everyone. Plus, you get to soak up some vitamin D, breathe in that fresh air, and maybe even spot some wildlife along the way. Just watch out for bears and squirrels. And definitely watch out for those geese. Those guys are vicious. But seriously, hiking is a great way to clear your head, get some exercise, and connect with nature. Just remember to bring plenty of water, snacks, and sunscreen, and wear comfortable shoes. And maybe a helmet, just in case you trip and fall. You know, safety first. Chapter 3. Say cheese to summer photography. Alright, listen up, shutterbugs. Summer is basically Mother Nature's own personal photo shoot. The lighting is perfect, the colors are poppin', and there's no shortage of Instagram-worthy moments just waiting to be captured. And the best part? You don't need a fancy camera to get in on the action. Your phone camera is your new best friend. So grab your phone, head outside, and start snapping away. Capture the vibrant colors of blooming flowers, the golden glow of a summer sunset, or the joy on your friends' faces as you splash around in the pool. And don't be afraid to get creative. Try different angles, experiment with filters, and most importantly, have fun with it. Who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent you never knew you had. And if your photos don't turn out perfectly, no worries. Throw a filter on it, post it anyway, and call it vintage. Problem solved. Chapter 4. Paddleboarding. Not just for hipsters anymore. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into the wonderful world of paddleboarding. I know what you're thinking. Paddleboarding? Isn't that just standing on a giant surfboard and pretending to be a mermaid? And to that I say, maybe? But hey, mermaids are cool. But seriously, paddleboarding is actually a lot of fun, and it's a great workout too. It's like kayaking, but instead of sitting down, you're standing up and using a paddle to propel yourself through the water. And let me tell you, it's a lot harder than it looks. But don't worry, even if you fall in a bunch of times, which you totally will, it's all part of the fun. Just imagine yourself gliding across the water, the sun on your face, the wind in your hair. Okay, maybe it's not always that glamorous. But trust me, paddleboarding is a great way to enjoy the water, get some exercise, and maybe even work on your tan. Just try not to fall in, or at least don't blame me if you do. Chapter 5. Escape to a literary paradise. Alright, bookworms, this one's for you. Summer is the perfect time to finally tackle that ever-growing to-read list. You know the one I'm talking about. It's the one that's been staring at you from your bedside table, silently judging you for all those late-night Netflix binges. Don't worry, we've all been there. But now's your chance to redeem yourself. Find a shady spot under a tree, grab a refreshing beverage, and get lost in a good book. Whether you're into thrilling mysteries, heartwarming romances, or thought-provoking nonfiction, there's a book out there just waiting to transport you to another world. And hey, if you're feeling really ambitious, why not start a book club with your friends? You can all read the same book and then get together to discuss it over a glass of wine or a cup of coffee. Just promise me you won't spoil the ending for anyone. That's just rude. Outro. So there you have it, folks. 5 amazing hobbies to make your summer unforgettable. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content.